How to transfer photos from Android to iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can transfer photos from Android to iPhone. So let's begin with the video and make sure to watch this video till the end. And also make sure to like, share, and subscribe this video if you found this video helpful. So let's begin. So there are certain methods on how you can transfer photos from Android to iPhone. These are some of them. One of them is using Google Photos. Another is using the app called AirDroid. Another is using the app called Move to iOS. And another is Send Anywhere, Share It, Dropbox, and Email. So these all applications are easily available on Google Play Store. You may just download it. After that, you just need to log in and set up your account in all of these particular apps. So I'm just going to tell you one of the methods, which is Google Photos. It is one of the easiest method on how you can transfer photos from Android to iPhone. So what you need to do is, after connecting to the Wi-Fi network, you need to back up all of the photos that is available on your Android device. First of all, you just need to sign in with your Gmail account after launching your Google Photos on your Android device. After that, you just need to back up your photos. As shown on my screen, you may just go to the backup center and backup and sync. Just turn on this toggle option very easily. And then what you're going to do is simply download the same application on your iPhone. You may just log in into your Google Photos app on your iPhone using the same Gmail account and login credentials. After that, just turn on the toggle of backup and sync on. After visiting the settings, now your iPhone will start uploading the photos on the iPhone that you had just uploaded on your Android device. And then you can access all the Android mobile photos. If you want to download it, you may just click on the photo and you should be easily seeing the download option on that photo. You may just download it on your device storage. Otherwise, you may just use the Google Photos in order to access the pictures that you want from your Android device. So therefore, just follow the steps, and that is one of the most convenient way on how you can transfer photos from Android to iPhone. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.